Yes, I'm Kenny from the Lee Bros and Jordan is the cameraman for now. And today, we're at the car show. Soup. And we are going to rate cars. And this is a Jeep. And see, Jeep. So, okay. So we're gonna be rating cars 1 to 10. And I think this is like a 10.
Well, 10?
Actually 9. 9.
Let's look around and stuff.
The 9 is because of the color. I don't like yellow. And because it has this small window right here. Hi. See, someone can be looking at what you're trying to do.
Yes,
Oh.
the Bronco's wide. The Bronco is wide. The Bronco's wide.
Okay, then this is at 9 1/4. 9 1/4, not 9 1/4. 9 1/4 is lower than 9 1/4. Okay, 9. Yeah, I'm just gonna say 9.
Next goal. This is the car you picked? Alright, let's see what's inside.
The seats are comfy. I like the door. But the seat color is horrible.
Dang. Okay. Whoa. Look what it has. Screens.
Yes. So this is a 10. Look.
We're not here for this, sir.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
Sorry, just I was gonna try to go on the Neely Bros.
And subscribe. Next car. Wait, what's the rating?
10, since it has springs.
Bro.
Actually 9. Actually 8, since almost all of it is
Is he in here? No. One place we didn't.
Hey everyone, thanks for joining us here at the Dodge display. If you are joining us over here at Dodge, then you probably have your eyes on the all-new Dodge Hornet for 2023. The Dodge Hornet is really exciting for us here at
this is the
Dodge
next
because
car you
this is
picked.
actually going to be the first electrified model in our portfolio. And I know a lot of you are probably looking at me thinking, what do you mean this is a gas model right here?
I like this
Well,
because
we are
one,
coming out with
it's
this
red.
vehicle in a gas model
And
as well as the hybrid Hornet.
It's red.
So the
You
hybrid
might
will be
like it.
called the Hornet RT,
Red
and the
is
RT will feature a
one of
1.3 liter
colors I
engine,
like.
giving you also the 15.5 kilowatt hour battery
this.
to make sure that you have the best fuel economy.
Hold on, we
while
can barely
also
hear you.
boasting the most
We'll be right back. Yo. Ready? This is the next car.
All I remember is me being kidnapped. Nobody.
So, what you got?
So, I rate this.
You didn't even see the full thing.
Okay, so 1, I like it. First,
Bro, what? Every truck has that.
Sure. But this is big.
Ours is... whatever. Fine.
So, two stuff. That's three. I like the colors. Four.
Hold on.
4. The seats are comfy.
Nice.
5. The design.
Okay.
6. It has a big.
6?
Oh yeah, this is. Look,
Okay, 5.
this is a
I thought it was 1 out of 5, but okay.
This is
Okay,
If you have more stuff, keep going.
which means
only
it double
1,500.
into 10.
No, it's got the nice upgrades in it.
It doubles into 10.
Next call. So, nice car, right?
Seats are comfy, like
Canoe.
It's a canoe. Oh yeah, canoe.
All right. Let's do back to front.
I like the back because it's big.
Okay.
Then I like this because it's high.
Okay.
And I can just boom. Then I like
Okay.
how just like multi-color left, right. 2 colors that I like.
Nice.
And because the cup holders are big. And I like the steering wheel. Like this is like basically it's reflective. This is what I don't like.
It's a Toyota symbol.
And I don't like Toyota.
Damn.
Then I like this because oh yeah, I like this. Like
That's kind of rainy, actually.
you could just and I like how
This is a different shape.
yeah,
The screen.
but the screen is so good.
Now, they've done that with Corvettes.
And I like this because
Bro, every car has that.
yeah, but the design. It looks like Wakanda Forever signals. Well, colors. And I like the cup holder because it has these. You can push on them. But now I'm just doing random reasons.
Okay, last car. What's up?
I'm finally not asleep.
Nice. As you can see, there's only one. Yeah, 2 seats, 1 row. Which means it's
Two-door car.
well, morely a sports car. Alright.
Alright, guys.
Nice to the inside. Now let's give you the outside. How you like this car, man?
I like it, but I like the color because then you can wrap it.
Okay.
And I like how low it is, so then if you get in a car crash,
Okay.
bad.
So, what's my rating?
10 because 1, I like the designs. 2, I like how it's just aerodynamic. 3, rocket. 4, the rim. I like the design.
Ooh.
And 5,
Alright.
so I rated it a 10.
Yes, sir.
Well, guys, change of plans. One more car. And it's gonna be a car that I have to like. Not that we've been doing cars that I just like. Ooh. But just love cars that are cool. So let's do it. Woo!
Crazy.
Hey, a Corvette. Look at the inside. The inside is incredible too.
Sadly, you can't get in it. But, you know, that's because it's a Corvette.
Like, yeah,
Don't want to get damaged or anything. So,
yeah.
oh,
The looks good. Ah, yeah, I like that color. Yeah, I like the symbol. Man, I like the logo. Like, when you look at the logo, you know it's a race car. Like, you know it's a race car when, like, it has the race car, like, the flag.
the Corvette logo.
And, like, so, you already know. 10.
10 out of 10.
Like, and it's so, like, aerodynamic. And then, like, look at this. It's so reflective.
I can see myself.
You can see it. So use a mirror. Like, use the mirror. But obviously, you would get a real. But obviously, you would get a real mirror if you're able to afford a Corvette.
Yeah.
Like, look at the roof. But sadly, we didn't see any wood.
Yeah.
But still, this is amazing. The way it seats with the
I think you'd fit right in that seat right there. What do you think?
yeah.
Would you like to drive that? So would I. You're gonna have to sit in the passenger seat while he drives. What do you think? I mean,
Yeah.
you're gonna drive and he sits in the passenger seat. Who gets to drive? You get to drive. Well, you know what? Since you answered the question, have you ever been to our little races out in Oakland, on the Sadie side? The Grand Prix? Wow, okay, pit race. We did it. Well, this is the vintage race. This is what this is all about. And if you guys come out in the third weekend in July, we have these kind of race cars all over, not only pit race, but also at Assembly Park. So why don't you come on out and see us, huh? And they're going to raffle this guy off, so send money and they're going to raffle this car off. You can get online. You, Mom?
I am.
Well, you got some nice looking pictures. So I think these guys look really good.
They agree.
So do I. I can't afford it, so maybe you can. I can.
You
Yeah.
know? I was like, I got two kids, I can't have a two-seater car. They keep saying, they're like,
No,
oh, we
he-
can get it more
he'd
bad.
fit in the trunk.
I was like, you know there are only two seats.
My golf club is as big as his. He'd fit in the trunk.